Fadnavis ji, Eknath Shinde ji, they both are capable of doing it and they are doing it well.
Okay, so Pradeep Bhandari of the BJP has just reacted to Rahul Gandhi's tweet. Rahul Gandhi, of course, saying that the Election Commission is gaslighting the people of India. Again, that familiar narrative of vote chori seems to be coming back to the fore. Let's just listen into what Pradeep Bhandari has said. He's put out a tweet saying the anti-national party, of course, in reference to the Congress, getting backing from Pakistan, is searching for a scapegoat. Looking at imminent defeat in the BMC elections, every season the Parivarwadi, to escape scrutiny, comes up with one or the other allegation, which turns out to be a damn squib in the court of law and court of public opinion. Abha Singh, why are we seeing again and again this whole vote chori narrative? Why can't some political parties accept that this is the mandate of the people?
Exactly, because I don't believe that there's something like vote chori can go on in today's time when you have the mobiles, you have so much social media. You think people will not get evidence? So coming up with this and not trying to improve the problems. And in fact, I think Rahul Gandhi needs to get his house in order. There is no opposition. And when the joke goes that Modi is lucky because Rahul Gandhi is the one reason why he's winning, I think we definitely need to get things in order. Public is very intelligent. Today's youth, the youngsters in Mumbai, they also are realizing that no potholes, they want no traffic problems, and definitely now it is not going to be only talking about big things and forgetting the small things. This BMC elections is showing people that Mumbaikars now want what is there rightfully.
So is that the overriding message, that they want the same party or the same alliance in all forms of government, all levels of government, so that there is accountability that can be fixed?
It clearly seems so. I think as you were discussing earlier, Zaka, also that Mumbaikars don't want conflict anymore. They've already seen so many political alliances being stitched and broken up that, people.
Welcome back to our live and rolling coverage on the Maharashtra and the BMC elections. And what we can tell you is that the